what happens at Knott's Berry Farm when two holidays collide.
Definitely has joined on board during this Halloween season. We greatly appreciate your subscriptions. We greatly appreciate your support, and a special thank you to all those who actually came out to Knott's Scary Farm to say hi or to just yell Fractured Compass or yell Brie or whatever. From the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of Jackie's heart and Mike's heart and Nikki and all of us here at Fractured Compass Production family, thank you, thank you, thank you. It meant so much to us. I can't put into words how much it meant to all of us for you guys to do that. So again, thank you. Now, the reason why we're here is because the holidays are colliding at this point. So we still have Scary Farm stuff out, but we still are seeing holiday Christmas creeping in, and we honestly can't ignore it. You know, as much as Halloween resides in our hearts, and it always will, we can't ignore the holiday season. We can't ignore Christmas. It's here. It's not going away. Does it feel cold to anybody? Well, we know, because it's still 72 degrees. It's still 72 degrees. And we have the Nutcracker on this side. And we have pumpkins on that side. See the collision? And with a little bit of editing magic, we head to the Disneyland Resort. Woo! That was magic. Almost as magical as the fact that snow has now appeared on the castle. So as you can see, SoCal is now definitely getting ready for Christmas, even though, you know, the jack-o'-lantern hasn't even rotted on the porch from Halloween. But let's check it out. If you guys have been here with us since day one with the start of our Halloween vlogs, this is where it all began. When we first did our first Knott's Scary Farm vlog talking about auditions and stuff. So that was kind of a surreal moment that I just realized right now when we stepped into this space. But with that said, there is going to be a lot more in store for the channel. If you guys stick with us, we're going to be heading back to the Queen Mary. They're going to be redoing their Ghosts and Legends tour with all the theatrics and everything like that. We're going to be checking that out as soon as it opens. Mike and I are going to decide to obliterate each other on the slopes when Queen Mary brings back their chill. I have no idea what's going to be happening, and I have never gone to that event, so I don't have an opinion about it, but I saw that there was ice bikes, and I'm thinking that someone's going to bleed. So stay tuned, guys, because even though we're moving on to Christmas, we're still going to be having a couple Halloween things. This Saturday, a group of us are going to be getting together, and we're going to be talking about how we felt about all the Halloween events in SoCal this year. It's going to be me, Mike, Kyle, and Jackie. We all four went to those events, so we want to kind of lay down our opinions. What was good, what wasn't good, what won, what lost. So stay tuned for that, and always be ready, because you never know where your compass is going to take you.